Thanks to the sponsor of the video. You don't have to, if you somehow haven't heard of JLCPCB. They're a major PCB manufacturer that also offer PCB assembly, 3D printing services, CNC machining and mechatronic parts, all at super reasonable prices. JLCPCB offers free VIA in pad, VIP, technology for 6-layer PCBs option. VIA in pad allows vias to be placed directly on the copper pads, resulting in increased design flexibility, less space requirement, enhanced thermal dissipation and improved electrical performance. If you're new to JLCPCB and sign up using the link in the description, you also get a bunch of new customer coupons.